Welcome to Perspective. A shoe manufacturing company sent two salesmen to remote villages in Africa to assess and report on the market potential for their shoes. The first salesman reported back dejectedly, "There is no potential here as nobody wears shoes." But the second salesman was in high spirits while reporting. He wrote, "There is massive potential here. Nobody wears shoes. We will educate people about the benefits of wearing shoes." This short story provides one of the best examples of how a single situation may be interpreted in two completely different ways, negatively or positively. In our everyday life too, we face similar situations. When we look into the opportunities and chances of success, we are thinking the right way. By merely focusing on threats and problems, we are likely to get disheartened. How this world will appear to you depends on your perspective. So, to change the world, change your own perspective.